Have you ever wondered if you can hack a Bitcoin wallet or not? What is the single solid way to hack a cryptocurrency wallet and take control? As you may know, public addresses are generated from the private keys, and it's much easier to generate a public address from a private key other than getting the private key from the wallet address. But it's not impossible. So we need a software to do this for us with a high speed. The VanitySearch software is coded to generate custom Bitcoin wallet addresses, so we can use it for this purpose too. VanitySearch is an open source and free software with a GPL v3 license. You can download its latest version from here. It does not come with a graphical user interface because it doesn't need it. So open your CMD and change your directory where VanitySearch is located. Enter this command to see the available options and flags. It supports both CPU and GPU for wallet generations. We also need a victim. I'm going to find a victim on Bitcoin's Blockchain Explorer. Let's copy the Satoshi's wallet address from the Genesis block. There are currently 99.75 Bitcoins in it. Let's run VanitySearch. VanitySearch.exe-stop and paste the wallet address. As you can see, it's generating or checking 25 million keys per second to find the private key. This is the total keys number to check. This is the probability to find the correct key, which is 0. This is the time it takes to finish checking 50% of the total keys. As we all know, the GPU unit is much faster than the CPU for this purpose. So we are going to use our graphic processing unit for this job. Just add the GPU flag here and you should be good to go. I have a GTX 6050 which is a mid-range GPU, but still I'm getting around 500 million keys per second, which is a huge performance boost compared to CPU only cracking. But it still shows the 0 probability and this number. So it takes this much years to crack a normal Bitcoin wallet. I'm not gonna leave that long. This is also the number of the total keys checked. I will let this run for a few minutes. Nope. So although it's possible on paper, but it's not going to work on real life. This approach may work if you have access to quantum computing, but it's not going to work using today's computers. So I'm going to demonstrate the actual purpose of this software. VanitySearch is a vanity wallet address generator, and you can generate a custom Bitcoin wallet address with it. But only a few first letters can be custom, and the rest should be generated as a Bitcoin wallet usually does. For example, I'm going to generate a wallet address with my name on it. Bitcoin legacy address starts with 1, so I enter the 1 and then my name and run the software. As you can see, it has generated my custom Bitcoin wallet address. There is the wallet address and the private key. My name has 5 letters. Let's try this with 3 letters. It just finds the private key instantly. What about 7 letters? It does struggle with 7 letters. It may take more than 18 hours to find the wallet. I do not recommend to try this with more than 6 or 7 letters because it uses a lot of resources and may even damage your PC or laptop. You can check VanitySearch's information in here. There are a lot of useful information, data, and even benchmarks. You can make a list and attack the entire list. There are some facts about Bitcoin wallet generation process in here. The probability to find a full private key in our lifetime is almost 0. And here's the benchmark of hardware capable of generating 1 billion keys per second. You can see the time and the probability. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that.